petu look it enough flag yeba, and it is unfortunate. Anaona you speaker to look into yedo wa police. Na wasisia okay. Ilete mbewe 15 kila soba batch number ni the same. Meaning it is a straight counterfeit good. Yes okon. Idote wana kama hiyo. Na so far ukuzi wana ke alate digedo you. The last time I checked mana wikira nana kana ime ana mura 5 enough. Ulonge wa mwezi ana koma niwe na gende ndo likoseni ba silanga. Aya akulu aya siyekida enokeda ko USC yazilango uyona ubyanzia aniwe nokeda arake maito teo mabata mai kuna sherehe dhano masa kuito kwikata okwikonja lakini anu manyoke no madonda o mabi kamusi wethie inya mulwa na inya monge peo kindu kitialite madonda kwikana na kuwekata kwenuka. And we should encourage our young people. If they must drink responsibly. This country is on its own. Our member of parliament, Mheshimiwa Susan, na Senator Witu Manzo, Megala ilobi, matu drede seku flags in the counterfeit kileva so a few years ago, Pag it is a big Witu, Pakuyandu over 10. Nondo waki usumuruko. Oyu, to the public participation, take a way governor, the ending last is ECD, Mwalimu, Joseph. ECD is in a Sianasia. Ile Itato, Kularo Adanga Mura Kuminasia, Kumina Itato. Ome Maikiosia. Ome Makolile Wave. We become Musimundu, we are muted in the two together, I become Musi. Mugeto Musisio, Konakisona is your good. Kono mundu sudeke nugengi utialire na chuwe kanwacho. Yakabu kido bulana kweka na kwe wako. Akwacha siana iya mukasiendete school. Mundu sunde den. De kwenye de kindu ne nukacho. It is unfortunate. Na ndo asume ndo sama tuluke twitu tu ndero latu goku. Ngoka kutraiba kwitu kadonzweni kiduke akitesa. It is unfortunate. Let us spread this information and let us get the right information. Again, the way there, Mundo minutes nina and the ni licensing board. As I kana license way like we just to look at to see that. Even iyo wate kwegoja. And wala mbe enforce mayor wesu, our district commission, county commissioner and the rest of the national government team. Tunawaheshimu. Lakini kuna wakati itafika hata sisi sasa tuchunge watu wetu.